In this video, we will show you how to change your MT4 or MT5 password. The process can be accomplished in a few easy steps. First, you need to log into your members area. Click Sign In found at the top right corner of the FX Choice website. Enter the email address you used when registering your user profile and password. Once logged in, click the account number you wish to reset your password for. This will take you to the account overview page. Click the Change Password link. If clicking the link doesn't work, try right-clicking and opening it in a new tab. Enter your new password and then click the Change button. The system will inform you of successful password change and will automatically send an email confirmation to your designated email address. This concludes our tutorial video on how to change your MT4 MT5 password. Thank you for watching.